Today I'm going to show you 3 recipes that I found on TikTok. I also saw them on Instagram. They're waffle recipes, different kind of waffles. So I'm going to show you 3 of those. I've never made them before, so I'm going to just make them for you right now live on this video. So we'll see how they turn out. So if that sounds good to you, stick around. Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chu on Vegan. Welcome back to my kitchen. I'm a plant-based RN and I follow a whole food, plant-based, no oil way of eating. If that's something that interests you, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and be sure to follow me on Instagram. Check out all the links below for all the resources that I offer. I have a free e-guide, I have a newsletter, I have a Facebook group, and I have an online course if you need help in maintaining or starting a whole food, plant-based, no oil way of eating. As a content creator, I spend a lot of time on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, getting ideas, just checking out different things. And I saw this trend coming up with making different kind of waffles. So I thought I'd give 3 of them a try and we'll see how they work out. So let's get started. So the first one is just using rice, cooked rice. And I've got my waffle iron heating up here. And I think I'm going to add a little garlic salt. Some of the ones I've seen, they don't add anything. So let's see if this is hot enough. That's pretty hot. All right. Okay, I think that's good for right now. A little garlic salt on top. All right, and then we'll just cook it till it's crispy. Okay, it's been close to 10 minutes. Let's see how it looks. Okay. Let's see what this side, okay. Looks like a waffle. It's crispy. I'm going to make the other 2 and then I'll give them all a taste at the end. Okay, next up is a tofu waffle. Okay, this is interesting. So I've got a block of extra firm. I pressed it for about 30 minutes. And I think I'm just going to, I don't know, cut them like this. I've seen it done a couple different ways. Well, let's try it this way. All right, a little garlic salt. On both sides. Then I'm going to sprinkle a little nutritional yeast on here, just to maybe make it a little crispier. Yeah, I'm winging it here, people. Making a mess. All right, let's see. Oh boy. How many can I fit in here? That's not going to work. Well, let's give that a whirl and see what happens. Okay, we'll give it about 10 minutes. All right, let's see what we got. All right. I'm not sure if I'm loving this one. I'm going to try a different shape and see if this gets better results. This makes more sense to me to make them bigger instead of these little ones. So we're going to try this as well. And make sure it's tight. And I'll give this about 10 minutes as well. Okay, let's see how this one's looking. Okay, I think I like this better. If I can get it out of here. And I broke it. Darn it. All right. Let's move on to number 3. All right, this one's using corn tortillas. So I've got some of my plant-based cheese sauce I'm going to put on here. Then I have some leftover refried beans that I made. You don't want to go, I don't think you should go all the way to the edge because then it's going to squish out. And then I'm just going to put, well, let's see. I should have cleaned this out, but I'm not going to. I'm going to put that one there, and then I'm going to put a little bit more cheese sauce. This is what they did in the video anyway. On this tortilla. And these are just my Trader Joe's tortillas. Okay, so that goes like that. And make sure it's tight on there. We'll see what happens in 10 minutes. All right, moment of truth. Well, looks like it mushed out anyway. All right, well, let's give these 3 a taste and see what I think. Okay, finished product. Dolled them up a little bit. So I have the tofu and the rice over here with a little bit sweet chili sauce. And then I have the quesadilla with a little guacamole, and I threw some red onions in there in the waffle iron to see what happened, and it grilled them quite nicely. All right, so I'm not sure how I feel about all this. All right, let's dip it in some sweet chili sauce. Tastes great. It's basically just in a different shape. And then the rice. We've got some crispy rice here. I like that. That's interesting. Yeah. I don't know if I'll do it again, but maybe if I don't have a stove or anything to cook with. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, it's just kind of fun. I think your kids or grandkids would love doing this. This would be so fun because they love different shapes and textures. So, and they could help do this as well. They could help make it as well. All right, let's try the quesadilla one and dip it in a little guacamole here. I think I like this one the best. I could see myself doing this. It's really quick. And it's really tasty. I think this is the winner for me. One that I would do again. So, that's my honest opinion. But please feel free to try these yourself. It's always fun to try something new. I see these things on TikTok or Instagram, and they're fun just to try. So if you like this video, if you learned something, give it a like and share it with your friends. And if you've made it this far in the video, please comment below with waffles, and that way I know you made it to the end with me, and I really appreciate it. Please check out the links below with all the resources that I offer. And remember that all my recipes are good for you, they're good for the animals, and they're good for the planet. And what you put on your plate determines your fate and your weight. Until next time, thank you.